Transforming your home is not just about aesthetics. It's about creating a space that resonates with who you are. When I think of interior design, I envision a canvas where every color, texture, and piece of furniture tells a story. Imagine walking into a room that feels like a warm embrace, where natural light dances off carefully chosen decor, and each corner invites you to pause and appreciate the beauty around you. Renovation is an opportunity to breathe new life into your home. Start by identifying what inspires you, whether it's the tranquility of nature or the vibrancy of urban life. Use that inspiration to guide your choices. Layering textures, mixing styles, and incorporating personal touches can transform a mundane space into a sanctuary. Don't shy away from bold decisions. A striking accent wall or a unique piece of art can become the focal point that sparks joy every time you walk in. Remember, it's not just about following trends, it's about creating an environment that reflects your personality and enhances your daily life. Embrace the journey of renovation. Each step is a chance to discover what truly makes you feel at home. Your space should inspire you, uplift you, and be a true reflection of your unique story.